I've never seen every time when ibhola libalidlala in between the central defenders, the team is in trouble. When there's three central defenders, I've never seen that. There's a problem. There's a problem with these guys at the back as a Amazon. Just watch. Good pass. We are in trouble. Now we have to defend for our lives. That's the first one. Number two. So simple, especially Futile. La, ta, ball. Almost scored. Number three. Pirates wins the ball. Empty. Just like that, we are in trouble. Number four. Long pass. First touch. Bah. Buffet. There's no way every time people behind defenders, our three central defenders, every time they play the ball, we are always chasing, we are always in trouble. No. There's something wrong with that defending. There's something wrong. Did well, Amuremi. First touch, second touch, unlucky. But in terms of defending, no. They need to talk. These defenders, no others one, they need to figure something out. Every time